It's gonna move. Yo. Get it door open.
We're closing all the way.
Go back. Hope you didn't work.
But wait.
It didn't move.
Remember, it moved. I left it like that.
Shit.
Remember, guys, I left it like this. It was like this.
It was like that. See, told you it worked.
It moved.
Works
Yeah.
like a charm.
Let's try it one more time.
Yeah,
see,
turn on the lights.
Now what did this say?
No, I think it said come and find us.
So, Diablo, you're it. Diablo, you're it. Diablo, you're it. Come and find us.
Oh.
Billy, come with us.
Yes. Guys, you're going the wrong way, aren't you?
Let's go that way, yeah.
We're going this way.
All right. Whatever you say.
Okay, don't get in the gym. Okay. Look, got you. So we'll talk about in the gym because nobody's in there.
We're waiting here, CJ.
They're supposed to win.
So just count to 10.
1, 2,
3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
All right, let's go see if that creepy doll has moved again.
Yeah.
Let's do it, CJ. Let's do it.
Wow.
Hey, here we go.
I just. He moved?
Now,
It worked.
Wait a minute.
Nope.
Wait a minute.
what?
The point was straight.
I don't remember it.
Look at his right leg. It's turned.
Oh, yeah!
It's turned sideways.
He moved.
Oh, shit!
He moved. Wait. I gotta.
Guys, I don't mean to curse on this channel, but
Wait, how about this? We put him in the desk and let's see if he went on the table again.
yeah. Guys, don't forget to follow me and the boys.
Don't forget to follow me too.
If I have a YouTube channel, don't forget to follow me
Boys,
too.
in 2 weeks, I will be filming in a haunted manor in Kansas City.
And next week, me and CJ and possibly Ryan Meinert will be in Snug Harbor.
Filming overnight. We're gonna try to stay
CJ,
overnight.
Yep.
We'll tag the thing and we'll see if it's gonna. I'll go with you. I got it. Diablo, you're it. Diablo, you're it. Diablo, you're it. Come and find us.
Oh.
Everyone out.
Rats.
Billy, you go out. CJ, you go out. I'll get the lights.
All right.
Remember, we put it over there, guys.
You got it, Blake.
Come and find us, Diablo. Yo, guys, as we were leaving, the computer light was off. Now it just flickered on.
Which is weird.
Yeah, it's
Computers
pretty
are not
odd.
supposed to do that when they're off. So let's wait in here. I will do. I'll do 1, 2,
2,
3,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9, 10.
All right, let's go check the toy.
Let's do it.
Let me go first. This is.
Wait.
What's your drink?
Shit, I just heard fucking.
I just did too. Look, go turn on the lights. Andrew, when I say turn on the lights, turn on the lights.
You got it, Blake.
Turn it on. Me? A little bit. See? I left it up like this.
See, move. You know what?
I left it up.
Let's see if we can reverse it. Maybe where's the drawer? Let me put this in the drawer.
Good idea.
Wait, are those lockers open?